Okay, we're recording now.
Okay.
All right. Hello, guys. We're like 10 minutes in. Basically, what we have created so far is we are working on our chat app. So from our where we were last week, we have clicked this button here to create a new screen, and we call that new screen the contacts page. All right. And on this contacts page, we now have a label, a list view, and a button. And now we are just working in the back end to populate our list view. All right. Okay, guys, also one important thing that I want to talk about. So with list views, all right, with our other app, or not with our other app, with our previous screen that I added here, you'll notice the selection color, I set that to none. Some of you guys may have forgotten that step, but I made that so that you can't like select messages. All right. With our contacts page, on the other hand, the selection color is some nice gray. So when we're pressing things on our list view, we will actually be seeing that it's like selected, which is what we want. Because with a contacts page, you want to be able to select contacts and then keep it selected and press start messaging, and it'll like see which one you had selected. But anyway, back to the back end. All right, so I made a nice long list. All right, and I'm going to keep filling it in. Now, the important part here is that you put these names the same way that the person on the other end is going to put their name. All right. So at this point, guys, when you're using your app and you're like adding your own username and what you want to go at the beginning, it's going to have to match what we have here. So for now, let's just go ahead and say that whatever people's names are in this in the Zoom chat, in the Zoom call, that's what you want to fill this in, and you want to be using the same name when you're chatting. All right, but like make sure it's capitalized. Let's do like some proper.
But no last names, right? Only
Yeah, no last names, no last name. All right, so I'll go Emily, Jaden. Okay. Okay, it's important that we're gonna be doing this because right now we don't have like a database anywhere else storing keys that are gonna be linking people together. All right, so the name that you see here is your actual like username, and then we're gonna do like cool combinations to try to make message keys. All right, just to shorten our code a little bit. If this was a real chat app, this would be a terrible thing to do because there'd be absolutely no security. But for us, it's fine. I got Aisha. Okay, so in this list, you're basically going to add every single person you want to be able to chat to. So at this point, I'm just going to put all of you guys. All right. If you want to add like your parents or something, you can do that as well. But just for now, add these ones, and we can work with other ones later. All right, so what do I got? I got Azima and Gabe. Did I miss anyone? No? How many people are in this call?
Asia.
Oh, I missed Asia. I'm so sorry.
Wait, so we do contact page dot initialize the list view elements to global contacts?
Yeah, so that's what our next step is going to be, guys. So just like Arg said, guys, once you're done creating this list, all right, we're going to go to contacts page. We're going to get .initialize, so like we did on that previous screen. And then what we're going to say is like as soon as you load it into this screen, go ahead and just fill it with contacts. All right, so okay, list view dot elements and set that to get global contacts. All right, so at this exact moment, if you just open this app, well, you're not actually going to get to this screen. You're going to get to a different screen. But if you were to open this screen somehow, like actually, if you connect through the emulator or through the companion, it opens the current screen. Also, you can't see right now, so I'll move this. Yeah, okay, so my contacts page, I don't know, I can't see what I see. Okay. Let me try to, do you guys see that? There are all your names. in the scrollable list. At the top, it says contacts. At the bottom, it says start messaging. All right, which is exactly what I wanted. All right. So this is
I
what we
can't
want.
select anything though.
On my, I can select everything. I just need to click on any of the elements and it gets like grayed out.
Oh, I need to. It's reacting kind of slow.
Mine's doing pretty good. Also, the start messaging button looks actually very nice. All right, so guys, in MIT App Inventor, ordering screens is a very painful process. All right, so unlike like I said, you can't actually set a different screen to be the default screen. So it is going to load in at screen 1. But what we can do is we can take the screen 1 that we have, and we can modify where it sends us. So we can make it so as soon as you load in on screen 1, it's actually just going to send you to screen 2. And
But
then
no,
from screen 2 you can come back.
when you like enter a username there and you go to back to screen 1, it'll send you to like the name screen again if you do screen 1 initialize.
Wait, do you have a name screen?
Yeah, I do now.
Oh, okay. No, yeah. So, okay. Basically, what my thought for the order that we could go in is we could have you could have the regular screen, and it's gonna ask you to type in your name. You type in your name. When you press go, it'll send you back to it'll send you to the contacts page. Right? And then from the contacts page, you select who you want to talk to, and you press start messaging, and then it'll bring you back to the messaging screen, and you can pick who you want to do that. But the problem there is if you already have a username, right, then it won't send you to the contacts page. So maybe we can probably add like a button that just takes you to contacts.
I think I found a bit of an error because look, each time you close and open MIT App Inventor, like in your browser, it resets the token. So each time I think we need to make like a script that sets the token if we can.
Yeah, this token, let's take a look.
Yeah. Wait, can somebody try to send a message? Oh wait, because I'm not let's try in the actual chat app.
All right, can you this is the token I have. What's your token?
Oh, never mind. Since it's like in the emulator and not I didn't like download it. I mean in the companion, yeah, it doesn't work like that. So yeah, the token still works.
So you have the right token, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. If it doesn't work, yeah, we can definitely just make it so that it adds it in the code. All right. Back to our contacts page. All right. Now here, the next part is going to be a little bit weird. So for now, let's just try to make it so that now when we press our button, it's going to send us to our screen 1. All right. Unfortunately, you can't actually rename screen 1. MIT App Inventor has a couple of really weird things about it. That's one of them. There is a way that you can do it, but you have to like download the app as some kind of file. You have to download it as an AIA. All right. And then you have to edit the actual stuff in like a text editor and then send it back. But we don't really need to do that. If you guys are interested in that, you can take a look. It's kind of weird. It's a little bit complicated. But we don't need to do that. We can get around it. And the way we're going to get around it is we're going to just use buttons and stuff to send us around. All right. So I'm going to make it so that when I press my button, all right, it's going to send me to my messaging screen. All right. So screen 1, right? That's our messaging screen. So I'm going to click our button and get this option here that says when button 1.click. All right. The one that we usually get. And now to send us to the other screen, the option for this is you can go under control.
Then, yeah, I think open screen
and then get this one here that says open another screen and then screen name. All right, so you can drag that out here. Same color as this. It's going to blend in very nicely. All All right, so it's going to say, so yeah, guys, once again, under control, scroll down. It's like near the bottom. There's this option that says open another screen name. All right, and then here you're going to say, you're going to get the screen name, and you're going to set it to just a text box like this that says screen 1. And you need to make sure that you have the same uppercase S and the 1. Right? If I was sending this to a different screen, I would just have to make sure the spelling and like capitalization and numbers and everything is exactly the same. So you also have to make sure no space after the 1. So if this button doesn't work, all right, that just means that you typed this in wrong. All right, but if I go ahead and test this now, so let me move that so you guys don't get in the way. Okay, if you test this now, you should see that when you press the button, can you guys see my screen? Yeah. Give it a sec.
While Tim is testing this, did everybody get this far? Does anybody have any questions? Can I get yeses in the chat?
Right, so here is app. Oh.
Cool.
Right, if I press the button, it switches me to the chat app, which is what we wanted.
Everybody else other than just Jaden and Aisha? How are people doing? Yes, nice. Good job, Gabe. No questions. Azia, what's the error?
Wait, who gets an error?
Azia has an error.
Cloud DBE.
Wait, Jaden, do you have a question?
Oh wait, what?
So he said
No
no.
question. No question. Tim, Azia has an error.
Asia has an error. Okay, Asia, can you share your screen?
I'll try, but I'm using a monitor, so it might not work.
It should work.
It should still work, yeah.
I'm also using the monitor.
Yeah, just give me more options.
Yeah,
My building has no power today, so I'm not using my monitor.
that is unfortunate.
It is unfortunate.
Okay, so Asia, this button is on the wrong screen.
Huh?
So you're doing this code on the wrong screen. Can you just delete the thing that you just added? This is the one that says when button one dot click.
Or just copy it. Copy it right now.
Copy it and then just delete it.
Press Control C. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, and now delete both of them. Okay, now switch to the other screen. Okay,
Put it there.
and in here, yeah, paste it if you can.
Nope. If you hit Control V, does it not work? It's okay. Just
if
put
it
it
doesn't
together.
work,
Yeah.
do it manually again then. So grab
It's
button.
not very long.
Button one dot click, and then switch to screen 1.
There you go.
But it said something about Cloud DB1. See, it says screen, not screen 1. Whoever's that is.
Yeah. Asia, there needs to be a 1 after your screen. So it's just screen 1. Oops. Yeah.
You said
I'm missing
screen.
an R. You're getting there. Almost there. Screen. Yay. 1. Nice. Okay, cool. Oh, wow.
Yeah, but I still have the same error.
Yeah,
I know why. I think
Sure. Oh, damn, what is this? What?
Mayhem and madness.
Does anybody else see this?
Yeah.
Technical difficulties. Please stand by.
What happened?
I think the problem was when she copied and pasted, it pasted here, not her other screen.
That's weird.
Well, that's crazy.
You don't do that.
Mayhem and madness. Crazy all around.
Where's your mouse? Why isn't it? Why is it on the left side? Your right hand. I'm not using it.
It's okay, almost there.
Just get, can you get the map? Fine. I put them out there.
Don't scroll down and deal with just those last couple ones.
Why is that so much?
Oh, wow.
Why?
A few times.
Why would it do this?
For fun,
Back like 10
to make life more interesting. Otherwise, it'd just be boring, you know?
Like right now.
I think you're
Like this right here. This reminds you of back when Windows 2000 used to do this with its browsers.
Windows
you would click-
2000?
Yeah.
What?
Back when Windows in 2000.
Do you use Windows in 2000?
No, you can do it after.
I did not use Windows in 2000, but I used Windows in the 2000s.
Plural. Aren't we still in the 2000s?
Yes. Do you remember Windows in 2010? There you go.
Okay. Okay, we're under 10 now.
We're almost there. Love it. Can you select them all? Can you just like click on it all and then hit like hold control and keep pressing?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Oh, no, it doesn't like it.
Command.
It's okay.
Wait, let's see. Nope.
Yeah, that's fine. We're almost there.
There's one more.
Yay.
One
Okay.
more?
Where?
I don't know. You probably did something. Oh yeah, it's gone. Yay! Thank
Okay,
you.
cool.
I didn't spam it.
Okay, so she's all set. Tim,
Hmm?
where are you? You frozen? Ah, there you are. Cool. All right, we're good here. We can keep going.
Very cool.
I still have the same error.
Oh, what error do you have?
Cloud DBE error. System error getting tag chat.
Can you share your screen again?
Okay. This one? We have no idea which one anymore. Share. Nope, we did the right one.
Okay, go back to blocks.
Anyway.
Go to blocks.
Huh?
Go back to blocks.
Look. But there's something about cloud DBE, so.
Oh, maybe no, yours looks fine. I don't know why.
Maybe something to do with designer, because there's still a cloud DBE over here, or DB1.
Yeah, and it's giving you an error?
Yeah.
Maybe it's a token.
Okay, that's okay. We'll try to troubleshoot that in a bit. Can you just go back to the contact screen for now?
Okay.
Okay, and I will start sharing my screen again. Okay, so what'll happen right now is when we press our start messaging app, it takes us to our chit chat app screen here. All right, now the thing is, what we want to be changing is when we're on the screen, the thing that's actually changing to get which messages we're receiving is this little, in our code, the tag that we're looking for when we're searching our cloud database. So right now our tag is just chat, right? Which is just getting us the chat in between everyone. But what we want to do now is we want to make it so that if on my contacts page, I select like Asia's name and I click start messaging, all right? When I go back to this screen, instead of looking at the chat, it's going to start looking somewhere else. It's going to start looking at like Asia-Tim messaging history, right? And that'll be where all of our chatting is. So what we need to do is we need to somehow make it so that when we select a name here, it's actually going to pass that value over to it's going to pass that value over to that other screen, and then from that other screen we can use that as our tag. All right, but there's a couple things that we need to do first. All right, for now, let's just do one thing. Let's just make it so that we take that value, pass it to the other screen, and we're going to set it as like the header. So it says who I'm messaging with. I'm going to message with like Asia. All right. All right. And for this, let's go to our blocks. And you'll notice right now, when I use this option here, all I'm doing is opening the other screen. But if you were under control here, you may have noticed there's another value here. There's another option that says open another screen with start value. All right. If you drag this one out instead, what you can do is you can actually pass values in between one screen and another. So for instance, if I press my button now, I can pass a value to that other screen. And for me, that value is probably going to be who I want to message. All right. And depending on who I want to message, that other screen will figure something out. All right, or we'll just use that value upright. All right, so now what we're going to do is instead of using open another screen, we're going to use open another screen with start value. All right, we're going to set the screen name to just screen 1 again. All right, I'm going to throw out this one. And the start value that I'm going to pass for now is just going to be my list
Selection.
List view.selection. Yeah, there you go.
Then if we go to the other page, can we do if get start value? Yeah, there's get start value. Hey. Wait, so now can we can we set for a test, can we set the header to like the private chat thing to the name?
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do, guys. Is everybody done with this open another screen part?
Almost.
Almost. Okay, we'll
I'm
give
done.
everyone a little bit. We'll give everyone a second. And then we'll
Yeah,
move
I'm
on.
done.
But do we put like the label text into screen1.initialize?
Well, okay, I'll show you in a second. Just right. All right. Okay, yeah. Is everybody done with this step? Does anybody need more time? No? Everyone's good? Okay, awesome. So now we have this part done, and we're passing this value over. There's something that we'll add here a little bit later, just as a little like a safety measure. All right, but for now, let's go to screen 1. And let's go to screen1.initialize. All right, now on this initialize part, we're gonna have to do some fancy stuff.
Okay,
Because-
that worked. Now, if I just remove my background.
Okay, all right, just wait up. All right, so yeah, in here, what we need to do is we're not always going to have a start value. All right, because for instance, when we first load into the app, we load in on screen 1. All right, so we're not always passing a value to it, but we want to say like if there is a start value, all right, then we need to do something with it. All right, so we're gonna go, I think under control is the start value. So if you go under control, there's this option here that says get start value. What we're gonna do is we're gonna say if
Get start value equals true.
well, no, because it's not equal to true. We can say if not is empty, get star value. All right. If not is, let me zoom in on this so you guys can see it a little better. Okay, this is under your initialize, right? And then this is just the bottom line that you're adding. Okay, if not is empty, get star value. Then what I'm gonna do, let me take a look at my screen. I can set, do I just want to set the header or this chat here? Sure, I'll set this label 2, right? Okay, I will set label 2 dot text to get start value.
But should we do like then can we do like list view dot clear? Because
Why?
if you're texting somebody, then you can't see like the.
Okay, no, so here's the important part. What we want to do is we actually want to take this if part and we're going to put it on the top, right? We're not going to put it underneath here. And in fact, we're basically going to rearrange this a little bit. We're going to put the checking if the username, checking the start value is going to be first. Checking the username and this like orange one is going to go here. All right. And then this get value tag is going to be last. Because this get value tag is going to be different depending on who we're chatting with. So we want to check if we're actually chatting with someone before we do this. All right, guys. So if you missed that, we just did a little rearranging. All right. This is the new if statement that we added. All right. It's a little bit weird. But basically, the one with the get start value is on the top. Then we're going to get this orange orange username block over here. And then the if statement that uses our username. And then the last one is going to be the get value. All right.
All right, guys, let's do a check. Let's make sure everybody got all of those steps. Can I get messages in the chat? Yes, yes. Yep, yep, yep. No. Azia, what's up? Let's
I
see.
did not see what to do on
The other screen. Tim, can you go to the other screen? So on contact?
no, not this,
All we did.
the other one.
Oh,
Like,
on screen one.
Designer.
Do you see it now? Here in screen one dot initialize.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who do you find that part?
Oh, so on your screen one, you should already have an initialize block.
Oh, I found it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're using that.
I keep on accidentally trying to get something from Tim's screen.
Okay, so are you good now? You got it all followed along?
Yep.
Oh, okay. Yep, we're good to go. Keep going. Almost. Oh, wait, Jaden says almost.
Yeah. So I am in fact going to test this.
Yeah, let's test it and maybe
I'm
give
gonna
him a
move this
second.
over so you guys can keep coding if you need to.
Jaden, let me know when you got it figured out, okay?
I already got it figured out when you were helping. I got it
Okay.
figured
So you're all sorted? Nice. Okay, everybody sorted now.
Okay, so we're gonna get a little bit of a problem. Firstly, we load in by default onto the chat screen. So I'm actually gonna manually switch it to the other screen right now by going to my screen and setting it to contacts page, and you'll see my screen actually updates. There you go. All right, but now if I select something like Emily and I click start messaging, all right. It did not work, so we need to check what happened there.
But no, like I tested it earlier, and then now I added if not, but it's still each time I refresh, it doesn't go back to private chat. Like the header again.
Whenever, so when I press the contact, it just has a bunch of text now.
It remembers the start value though. That's something. Well,
And you remembers it?
Tim, I'm still not able to text on the contacts thing. It won't switch the screens.
It won't switch the screens. Okay, let me just show you which code. You might be missing this part.
I got that part.
You have that?
Yeah.
Then it should. Did you spell screen one here correctly?
Yeah. Wait, does it have a space?
It has no space.
Okay.
Okay, yeah. So just double check that. Okay, let me try to make it so that instead of label 2, it's gonna set like label 1. Maybe that'll help.
Okay, got it. But it takes me back to the chat.
Okay, wait. So it works with label 2. There you go. So now it says Emily. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. So it didn't work with label 2 for some reason. That might be because we have something overriding it somewhere. I don't think it's this. This one doesn't really run. Do I have a name? Oh, when did it take a name? All right. Okay, anyway, regardless. Oh yeah, here it is. This is the part that's setting our label 2, so that's why it didn't work. So I just set my label 1. It does work now. Here I have Emily added on mine. I don't know if you can see it. It's at the very top. It says Emily. So ideally, right now, I should be messaging Emily and not me. All right. But let's try to do something a little different now. All right. And the first thing we want to be able to do is we need a back button. All right. So if I'm on this screen, you can't really see it, but if I'm on this screen and I want to go back now to my contacts page, I have no way of doing so. All right. So let's add a little button in the top left. Okay, a teeny tiny button with like an arrow or something, or we can just say back. That's going to bring us back to our previous contact screen, or it can just say contacts. And then we can come and we can send it to wherever we want from there. All right, so let's
In one sec. So Azia still has the same error.
Okay, Azia, do you want to show us your screen now? And we'll see if we can fix it. I actually don't. I can take a look. Let's see. Azia, can you share your screen?
Yep, I'm sharing it.
Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Go to blocks. Can you? Where does the error show up?
It shows up. Well, first of all, I can't get back to the contact page, and so it always shows up in the.
Oh, maybe you have two dot initialized. Wait, can you zoom out? No, go back to blocks. Okay, can you zoom out a little or like a lot? Okay, yeah, that's enough. Go back in. Okay, do you see this? Do you see how you have two screen one dot initializes?
Yeah.
Can you delete the one that's on the right side?
This one?
Yeah, no, delete the entire thing.
Yeah.
Okay. Does that fix your error?
I'll check.
Oh, looks good.
Nope. Oh yeah, fixed.
Does it work?
So, okay, what we might do is it's 46 anyway. So we should probably take a break and then we can try to figure out what's going on with Azia's code.
Okay. Yeah, guys. So at this point, we will take a 5-minute break. So come back by 11:50. You can go to the bathroom, get some water, have a snack. I don't know. And then when we're back, we will try to finish up.
Yep.
All right. Asia, does it work?
Nope.
No. Okay. What's the error?
Cloud DB error. System error getting tag chat.
Getting tag.
Tag chat.
Getting tag checked.
Chat.
Tag chat. That's interesting. Very interesting. So it doesn't want to get you chat. Are you connected to the internet?
Yep.
You have to be, right? Okay. I would give you a system error getting tag. Okay, can you click the connect thing?
Connect.
Yeah.
Tim, do you want to emulate hers? Have her pull up the QR
yeah,
code.
that's what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
Click connect.
Connect.
Okay, click reset connection.
The connection.
Okay, click it again. Click connect. Connect and AI companion. And now don't scan it yourself. I'm going to scan it. There you go. I've stolen it. Okay, authentication error.
And doesn't go back to a contact page.
Yeah, but it's not supposed to.
Well,
Okay, I'm going to request control. Do you see the option and can you confirm it?
approve.
In the meantime, Azima, what's up?
So when I was trying to do what Tim did with the making the new screen one initialize thing, apparently I don't have the tiny DB thing.
You don't have the tiny DB thing. Oh. Tim, do you want to move us into a breakout room so I can see what's going on?
Sure.
Okay.
If I can. Okay, okay, Asia, I'll fix yours in a sec. Just right. Breakout room. Who needed help?
Azima.
Okay, have fun.
Thank you.
Okay, Asia, can you start sharing your screen again?
Okay.
I'm back 1 minute early.
And I'm going to request remote control again. Asia, can you accept?
Approve. There. Okay.
Okay, so
11:50 a.m.
code is right. Redis server is default. Redis port is 6381, which I think is also what I have. I don't know what's happening.
Tim, maybe go into her contacts and see if there's anything wrong there.
That wouldn't cause an error here, though.
Yeah, because when I did it, it said the error was in my contact, so it was the screen one thing. That's
So
why.
there's nothing wrong here. Then I come here and it says system error getting tag chat. Oh, and it happens every 3 seconds, so maybe it's in our clock part. Where's the clock? Here, clock timer.
Wait, why do I have 9 contacts if it says there's only 7 participants?
2 people are in a breakout room right now.
Oh, okay. So ASEAN, I think that's one.
Oh, Tim,
Yeah.
if not is empty, that usually the set label 1 is supposed to be label 2.
Yeah, I don't think that would be the problem.
Oh no,
She doesn't have a label 2. She only has 1 label.
Oh.
But that wouldn't cause a cloud database problem.
Sia, what are you doing?
What else could be?
Nothing.
Tim's the one that's controlling.
I think I go to my room.
All right, we're back. Tim, how goes it?
Not great,
Oh no.
because I see absolutely nothing wrong.
Maybe just reconnect your companion.
You just delete the Cloud DB entirely, and we just do it again. We're gonna have to do a lot of fixing now. Asya, are you moving stuff? No? Why is it being so weird? Okay, get value. Chat. If it's not there, create empty list. Is it gonna break right away? It's not breaking, which is a good sign.
I can't connect.
Okay, so update messages, fine, get value. Oh, it's working.
Yes.
I don't know what I did, but I just redid everything. And now it looks like it works. Asya, is somebody named Asya saying hi?
Nope.
Is that who? Is that Arag?
What?
Who's named Asya and saying hi?
Not me. I'm getting ready to connect mine.
Wait, no, stop. I'm still working. So let me finish up and you can go. Or you can actually.
Is it on the same code like on the cloud database?
I'm not sure. I don't know. But I see Asya saying hi, so maybe.
Wait, I need to. Oh yeah, Asya says hi. Wait.
It's not me. My hands are empty.
Oh, that's Asya.
So who's Asya?
Not me.
Is it Adil? Adil, are you there?
Yeah.
Are you Asya?
No.
Can anybody see my
Actually, yes, I'm you.
Can anybody see my text?
Okay, Asya, I think you're relatively set. You might not have one part. Let's-
Oh, let me get off me.
What's? Oh my god. So random.
Okay, I am done. I think that's good. All right. Okay. Let's finish this.
Leave that word.
Okay. So now that we have this done, Asya, I'm gonna disconnect from your app. Okay. What we need to do? What were we talking about? What did we do before we finished? Oh, back button. Yes. Okay. Let's add a back button to our app. All right. So let's start with this. Let's go to designer on our screen one again. All right. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually put this header part in a horizontal arrangement, guys. Remember, that's how you put stuff side by side, right? So I'm gonna slap a horizontal arrangement on this, throw my header inside. I'm actually gonna make the horizontal arrangement fill parent, so it takes up the whole space. And then I'm going to throw a button next to it on the left here. Or you can actually put this button somewhere else if you want. It's up to you where you want to put this button, because this does kind of screw up your header placement. So theoretically, you could put it next to this. Maybe that would look nicer.
I have no idea what I'm supposed to do. What do you want me to do?
Okay. Emily, where do you think it would look nicer?
I like it
You can put it right.
not in the header. No, in the enter your name to join chat. There. Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
Okay.
You put it
know
on
what?
the other
There.
side.
Sure. So there's a couple options, guys, where we can put it. I'm going to actually take this label out. Delete this horizontal arrangement. So I'm going to put my back button here. You can actually put it at the bottom if you want. It will be hidden, though. So I got my back button. What color are back buttons?
Sure.
Let's search it up. Back button. Do you want to make it white? Okay, we can make a white back button with a bold black text on it. Okay. Okay, and I'm also just for good practice. Okay, I'm gonna rename this button in my hierarchy here, and I'm gonna rename it back button. All right, I'm gonna rename my other buttons as well. I'm gonna clean up a little bit right now. This is sometimes coders don't really do things very neatly the first time, but afterwards you can go up and you can still clean everything up. So this is gonna be my. I'm not gonna delete that. Utility label. This will be my. Oh no, not delete. What am I doing? Header. All right, here's my. I can probably just leave this message box and message. All right, so guys, I did just clean up. I renamed a lot of my stuff, but just know what yours like. They're like descriptive names, so you should be able to know what it correlates to on your screen. Because it may not be the same. All right, so instead of like label 1, label 2, it's going to be like back button, header, utility label, submit button, you know, all that kind of stuff. All right, so has everybody added a back button to the app?
Wait, is the back button to take you back to the contacts?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Possibly, yeah, guys. Instead of putting back here, you could actually just say contacts. You could put this like above if you want. I don't know. You can get creative. Put it wherever you want. I'm going to have it right here. So it's going to be like contacts. And I can just click it whenever I want to go somewhere else. Okay. On that note, All right. We showed you already how to switch in between screens. So as a challenge, you guys need to make it so that when you press the contacts button, it will just take you to the contacts page. All right.
I already did that though.
Yeah. As I'll give you a hint, guys. You don't need to use the with start value option. You can just use open another screen. All right. So make it when you press the contacts button, all right, it will take you to another screen.
I'm done.
You're done? The challenge
Yep.
too?
Yep.
So quick. Okay. So yeah, that was a quick challenge. So I'm actually going to go through it now real quick. So I'm going to grab my contacts button. On click, when I click my contacts button, I'm going to switch, open another screen. And that screen name is going to be exactly the same as my other one. So contacts page is what I called mine, with a capital C and a capital P. Contacts page. There you go. So now theoretically, if you load this onto your phone, you should be able to switch to your other screen without any problems. Okay, I'm just going to organize my code a little bit nicer too. Okay, so you have a back button now, which allows us actually to kind of have most of the workflow fixed up. So I'm going to connect this up real quick. And give it a test. Okay, so if I press my contacts button, it does take me to my contacts, and you can actually see this screen switches as well. Then I'm gonna go and select like Jaden, start messaging, and my header now says Jaden. If I want to go back, I press my contacts button, it goes back. I can select Emily, start messaging, it'll go start messaging. All right, now here's the part where it's going to get a little bit tricky. All right, so not to say that it hasn't been tricky up to this point, but it's gonna get like a little bit. It's gonna use the brain now. All right. So right now, when we message each other, we're all using the tag chat. All right, which is why we can all see each other's messages. All right. If we were to use a different tag, so for instance, if me and Emily decided we wanted to have our own private conversation, what we need to do is we need to switch our chat tag here to something completely different. So if me and Emily wanted to have our private one, there could be a tag here that says like Tim and Emily's private conversation. All right, and we could go have a chat in there. All right, what the thing is, what we want to do right now is we want to automatically make it so that when you enter when you enter from your contacts page into here, it automatically switches the tag for you such that you and the person you're talking to have the same tag. All right, so this is where it's going to get a little bit brain confusing. Yes, all right.
Hold on.
Can we like make that chat label a variable, and then we can do an if statement? Then when the header is this text, then set the variable to this.
Okay. One thing. Okay, I noticed you use headers as variables a lot. So you don't need to like check what the header's text is. You can just use the start value as your thing, right?
Okay, one quick second. Azia, did you create the or whatever your new button is called, when button.click, open the other screen? what you were supposed to do is, Tim, if you go back to your designer really quick, you were supposed to add a button, right? Like a back button, or in this case, Tim made it a contacts button.
Oh, no, I did that.
You did that? Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, so then if you go to your block, did you make the block that actually uses the button?
Yeah.
Wait, see, why does it say contact?
Yeah, it,
Because that's
Then
the name
that's
of
it. Then
that's
you-
the name
you're
of my
done.
other screen.
That's all
When-
you had to do.
when-
We just changed that and
yeah.
updated this.
Adil, when you press the contacts button, you want to go to the contacts page, right? 'Cause
Yeah.
that's my other screen name. It might be something different for you.
Cool. Then yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
so now,
no.
guys, we need to have a nice thinking session now. All right, this part we're gonna have to think real hard, all right, and come up with some ideas. Okay, so how can me and Emily decide on a tag that we can both use to chat to each other without explicitly creating one for us? All right. So, for instance, my idea, right? My initial idea would be like something like, "Hey, if I were to like select Emily as my contact list, you know, you could make it so that our tag is like Tim Emily or like Tim and Emily, and that would be your tag, right? And both of you would have the same tag, right? But now here's the problem. How do you decide which name goes first?
You argue over it.
We argue over it. But see, we can't
Paper,
argue it
scissors.
over it. Our phones have to argue for us. All right.
alphabetic.
Just
You
decide
can do
alphabetical.
alphabetic. Alphabetic is also a very good idea, but there's there's no easy way to do it in MIT App Inventor. All right, under the
Well, I guess. Well,
Why
you
not
can
just
get your
random-
username and then join your username and then the start value.
Very quick question. Does the less than functionality work
Oh wait.
here?
Okay, here's the thing. This is what I'm actually
We
going
don't
to do. I'm
have
going to
that.
create a
That's
new
not a thing.
project real quick,
Okay.
and we're going to call it the testing world. Oh, I already created one called the testing world. I might just go into that then. Where's my testing world? Here it is.
Just search up testing world.
Yeah. So there is one tool that we can try something right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a button that's gonna be called like convert. Okay, you guys don't need to do this right now. I'm just kind of taking you through a designer thought process. All right. So I'm gonna have two text boxes here. All right, and a button that says convert. All right, and then I'm gonna add a label right here. All right, which is gonna be called result. Okay, so I'm gonna make it so that when I press my button, all I'm gonna do is I'm going to set my label text to compare texts. Now, there's a couple of things that this could possibly do, and we're gonna actually find out what it does right now. All right, so let's get a guess. Have you guys seen this little like alligator symbol before?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. This is what you use in math to check if something is bigger than something else. All right, but when you're doing it with text, we have to try to figure out what it does.
Longer?
So it could mean longer and shorter. It could mean there's also an equal and a not equal. All right.
But no, can you do like equal or bigger? Because
So we have to check that. Let's try something real quick. So I'm
because
gonna
there
say
is
if
like
text
yeah.
box one dot text text box two dot text. Okay, now I'm just gonna emulate this real quick.
Yeah, because there are people that have the same names of the same.
Yeah, because a lot of people have the same length name, right? And then how do you decide from there? Okay, alphabetical would be the best because then unless they have the same name, you have no problems. And if they have the same name, it doesn't matter what order you put it in. So, oh, I even have a fancy background on this. That's cool. All right, I'm gonna give one name. I'm gonna say Emily, and I'm gonna say Tim. And let's see what happens when I click convert. All right, if I click convert, it says true, meaning
Emily is less than Tim.
Emily is less than Tim.
Rude.
Unless my text box, yeah, Emily is less than Tim. All right, let's try it in the other order. If I try Tim on top, and Emily on the bottom. It's false now. So
Tim is not less than
Tim is
Emily.
not less than Emily. All right. But let's see if that's alphabetical. So if I were to, what's a name that starts with E?
Huh?
Eric.
Eric. Let's try Eric. Em, do you think Eric is less than you? Eric is not less than Emily.
No. Good.
Now let's do some alphabet digging, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, hold up. Okay, so
Eric
R is after. So alphabetically, Eric is still higher. So it might be sorting them alphabetically,
No, then try my name.
which would be very convenient. Adil, let's try Adil. Adil should, so if I were to put Adil, Emily first and then Adil.
Emily should not be less than Adil.
So I'm greater than.
No, it says false because Adil,
Yeah, good.
yeah, no, wait.
No, that's good. If you put Emily first and then Adil, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then yeah. So then if it returns false, that means that Emily is not further along in the alphabet, like is not earlier in the alphabet than Adil.
Okay,
Yeah,
then.
so if I put Adil first,
Yeah.
it says true. Okay.
Yes, I'm
So that,
greater.
we kind of lucked out there. For some reason, this does not sort by length. This sorts by alphabet. All right.
That is actually true in most programming languages. Python also does that.
For us, this is extremely convenient. So we will be using this now. All right. So we're going to
You're
go
welcome.
to our, is it called private chat?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Chit chat.
So here's our private chit chat app. All right. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our contacts page. And we're going to do some, no, we're not going to go to our contacts page. We're going to go back to our screen one. And we're going to do some finessing here. All right. So at first, what I want to do is I'm actually going to create a new global variable. So over here with all of my other global variables that I've created here, initialize global, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to add a new one. So I'm going to say initialize global name 2. And right now it's just going to be a blank string. All right. And the name that I'm going to initialize it to is going, the name of the variable is going to be tag ID. All right. Don't just name it tag, because that can be really confusing when you come over here. All right, with all of these get tags. All right. So yeah, so just call it like tag ID, or call it like fancy tag, or call it specific tag, or current tag. Maybe I'll do current tag. Okay, current tag, and it's gonna be equal to blank by default. Okay, I'll give you a second. Add that up.
Wait, Tim, why'd you change it from tag ID to current tag?
No, I don't know. It's up to you. It's up to you guys what you want to call it. Do you guys want to call it tag ID or current tag?
I don't care. Just wondering.
You don't care? Okay, current tag. I will leave it as current tag then. Okay, so right now it's equal to blank. Oh, actually, instead of blank, I'm going to make it so that the default value of it is going to be chat. All right? So that way, if you don't select a contact, it's going to go ahead and just add you to the group chat. Okay? All right. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move up here. All right? And we have this if statement at the beginning that says if the get start value is not empty, right? Then it's going to set the header to the start value. And in here now, we're going to have to add some logic. All right, so we're going to go and put an if statement. And we're going to say something like if, let's compare texts. We're going to say if the start value, so get start value from the control part. Right? If the get start value, I might have to move this over. Oh, I definitely have to move this over. Okay, if my get start value is alphabetically less than my get username, all right, which one do you guys want to put first? Well, it probably makes more sense to have the alphabetically first one come, right?
Yep.
So we'll say, yeah, if it comes earlier in the alphabet than my username, then we're going to set our current tag to the joining. Do we need fancy joining? Do you want like an underscore or anything in between, or just the two names plotted together?
I don't think it really matters.
It doesn't really matter. That's true. All right. So yeah, if that one comes first, then we're gonna set it to get start value, get global value, and I'm gonna add an else here. I'm just gonna say otherwise set my current tag to the other way around, right? Because if it's not that way, then it's the other way. We're gonna assume this doesn't account, I think, for, what do you think the default value of this is?
Well, what do you mean the default value? There's no default value.
If two people have the same name,
Then it would be false.
it would be false. Okay, so it doesn't matter in that case.
Because it's not equal. It would just be false.
That's a good point. Yeah, so it'll still work then. Because then it doesn't really matter what order you do it in.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, so where it says append value to list chat, do we change that to like global?
Yeah. So now
yeah.
I'll leave this up for a second, but guys, if you're done that step, what you want to do is every single place where right now it says chat, like in just a text box, you want to replace that with current tag. Okay, everywhere except for like right here. Right, you leave this initialize alone. But for instance, here where it says get value chat, you're gonna replace that with current tag. All right, over here where it says tag chat, you're gonna replace that with current tag. All right, over here where it says chat, replace it with current tag. All right, everywhere you're gonna go ahead and replace everything.
Where can't you replace chat?
The only place you don't want to replace it is where it says initialize global current tag to chat. You can't initialize it to get current chat.
Do we change the text or do we turn it into the variable?
You turned it into the variable. So for instance, here where it says tag chat, I'm going to completely delete that. And I'm going to set it to get current tag. Okay. Over here where it says tag chat, I'm going to delete it. And I'm going to set it to, I'm actually going to copy this guy, so I just have it with me. I'm going to set it to current tag. These get tags you leave alone. Get tag, leave alone. Over here.
We do find like.
Oh yeah, I don't think they have like a find and replace.
Yeah.
It's kind of sad, but what are you gonna do? All right. So I replaced this one over here. I'm going to go ahead and replace these ones as well. So
You have to replace all the chats.
this chat.
Hold on, take a second and let's make sure that everybody's up to speed. We just did a lot. Tim, do you want to do a quick summary of what we did?
Yes, give me a second. Okay, there. Okay, so again, what we just did, we just made it so that every time you load into the app, all right, it's going to, instead of just using that one chat that we created for everyone, it's going to let you pick a contact, and depending on the contact you pick, all right, we added this chunky code. Oh, no, just this top if statement here. That's going to set the header to who you're currently talking to, and it's going to set that tag where you store the messages. Instead of like the chat tag where everybody was using the same tag, it's going to create a new tag, which is just your two names combined together in alphabetical order.
Wait, so can we like make it to can we do it so like because if you can't go back to chatting with everybody, we need to add like a thing in the list view to go back to the normal chat.
Yeah, so that would be something that we can also do. So in your contacts app, you can just add one that says like chat or just everybody.
Yeah, but all lowercase because that's our normal thing, right?
Our normal one, yeah, is chat.
For contacts?
But you're gonna have to do something here because right now if you're gonna have to add like another if statement here that's gonna say something like if the start value is equal to chat, and then set it to chat, right? Or we can just add a button that says like talk to everyone.
Well, yeah.
All right, but that's something that we're gonna have to work on in a second. But let's just finish up with this. So yeah, what we did is we added this. So it's gonna set a global variable called current tag to your name and the person you want to talk to's name combined together with all capitals and everything, and not all capitals. I mean, like proper
Just the
capital.
first letter capitalized. Yeah.
And it's gonna sort them alphabetically. All right. And then what we did is every single other place where we used to have just hard-coded the word chat, all right, is now replaced with a get global current tag, all right. I don't think I missed anywhere. But then what that does is now instead of looking for the current chat, every single time you're doing anything, it's going to allow you to chat with like a specific person, all right, or at a different tag otherwise, all right? Does anybody want to give this a try?
Okay.
Okay, send me a message if there's a problem, or send just the group a message if you have a problem.
Okay.
Mine's
Hopefully
going
we don't
well.
have any problems. Either everything's going to go perfectly, or everyone's going to start complaining that it broke. There's no in between.
The usual.
Yes. All right. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to my contact. Let me actually just send a message real quick to make sure my username is correct. Okay, Tim, I'm good. Okay, who am I talking to? Who wants to test this with me?
Me.
Adil? Did you say it?
Yeah.
Am I on?
Okay, so Adil.
I'll send a message to Emily, I guess.
So
Okay, Emily
so,
is gonna go get her a phone
Adil,
so
I
that
need
she can do
you
it.
to go to contacts and select my name, and I'm gonna go to contacts and select your name, and I'm gonna click start messaging.
Yeah.
All right, I'm back on this screen, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to type something. I'm gonna say hi. Can you see it?
No, I cannot see it.
I mean,
But if
Adil.
I go back to chat,
Nope.
what will happen?
Adil, you can't see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I go back to the normal chat, I see your hi.
You see
I
my
see
hi.
that you said hi. But if I go back to the Emily's chat, I see I see that I sent her a hello.
What? No, okay. I said a different hi before in the normal chat.
Do it.
Yeah, I went back to the normal chat and I saw that you said hi.
No, okay, yeah, but I said a different hi. Okay, wait. So Adil, did you click on my name?
Yeah.
And you can't? Can you send me a message?
I sent it in group chat.
I don't see. I just sent you one. Oh,
Send me
shit.
one? Okay, hold on. Let's try something else. So okay, to troubleshoot, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make it so that we actually set our header.
Okay.
I'm gonna set the
Who
header
messaged me?
to my club to my current tag.
Guys, who is trying to message me?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Eric?
You should see hello.
Okay.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is now that I have this, I'm gonna refresh companion screen.
Oh.
I'm gonna go to
Tim,
contact.
how do you make it so that it always goes down, not up? Mine is still refreshing up.
Ah, guys. Okay, so I think I know what the problem is. So right now we are combining the start value with our username, right?
Yeah.
We're doing this before we actually set our username to something. So right now we're adding nothing to the other person's name. So right now we're actually just messaging at their name. So we need to do some rearranging. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this up here and this.
No, for me it says my name is Arik.
Yes, but your name is Arik.
Yeah. So
Okay,
it's
like what's happening is we were making it so that like the tag that we were sending stuff to was like the combination of the person you're talking to and your current username. But our username when creating that was nothing. And then we created our username after that. All right. So I just rearranged everything All right, so what you want to do now is you want to make it so you get the global username and the if username is not empty stuff above the start value stuff, and then the get value at the very bottom. Okay, we are once again rearranging everything, but hopefully for the last time. So let me message Adil
Wait, hold
again.
on. Go back so people can see.
Okay, yeah, so see now it says Adil Tim at the top because that is what our new tag is. So Adil, I'm going to send a message once you finished. Adil, once you finished writing down the code, try to message me and see if we can get this working.
Can I message you?
Yeah, sure. All right, I'll try that with you.
I am done doing my code right now.
Me too.
All right, I send a hi
To who, though?
to you at Areg Tim.
Okay. So Tim, let's see. No, I do not see hi. Wait.
Yeah, I already sent
I'm
you
gonna send a message. Can you see this message? Or is it still a blank screen?
I sent you a lot of messages. Not even a lot.
Because I can see a message.
I can't see a message that you sent.
Yeah, I can see my message, but I can't see yours.
Did you rearrange the code?
Like if join global username and not is empty, get start value. Oh no. Oh, should we do it? Should we do not is empty for the global username or the start value?
So no, you have to put the if not is empty get global username first. That needs to come first.
Okay, so
Do you see the order I have here? I can zoom in a little more if that helps.
I can't get to my contacts page.
So first you have get start value.
Who said they can't get to their contacts page?
Azima?
Azima, can you check? You have a button, right?
Yeah.
Can you check the spelling again? Make sure you have same capitalizations, same numbers, everything. I
did.
You did? Then
yeah.
Okay, give me a second. I'll take a look in a minute. Okay, wait. All right. Did you rearrange?
Yeah.
Did it work?
Well, can you see my message?
Phone. I'm still on from somebody else back to them.
Okay, wait. Adil, did you fix yours?
Yeah.
Can you send me a message?
I sent you like 20.
This is so sad. Okay, on that note then,
Can you see him?
okay, Adil, do you have, can you add this line to your code?
Wait. But can you go back to designer and show me the header?
The heading is just this top text, the biggest text.
Oh. Wait.
It's probably like label 1 on yours or something. Set it to current tag, run it again, and then tell me what you get as the label, because maybe we have something wrong with our tag generator.
See here. Wait, what do you want me to set to?
Now I have.
Wait, there's nothing in the chat now.
Okay, what do you mean?
Set header.text to get global current tag.
So I wrote something to Tim.
You wrote something to Tim.
But I
Let's try.
couldn't see it.
Okay.
So I did it again because I thought that was my name now. But it wasn't. So I went out of Tim's content and went back in, and I still see Tim's. And then I saw what it is. So I have to go back out of his content and back in to see what I wrote.
Okay. I'll fix it.
Somebody see the message I sent in the.
Okay, Adil. Now, can you click on my contact, click start messaging, and tell me what the text? Oh, wait, did I start messaging myself? Okay, that might have been it.
What happens when you message yourself?
Not much.
Okay. Wait, let me do it again.
Okay, Adil, tell me what the tag at the top is.
Tim Adil.
Tim Adil. Well, yeah. Okay. Why is Tim first? Why is Tim first there? That's interesting.
Oh, I think I know. Wait.
I still know one.
Asia, what do you mean when you say now I have to go back into Tim's contacts to see what I wrote?
Oh,
Wait, whose name starts with a larger letter than T? Why does nobody's name start with a larger letter than T? What is this?
Wait, maybe it's the contact.
I am adding a fake contact called Z.
so when I wrote something to Tim, I couldn't see what I wrote. I wrote it again, I still couldn't see what I wrote. I wrote it 5 times, I still couldn't see what I wrote.
Mm-hmm.
So I went out of Tim's contact and I went back in and I saw what I wrote.
Oh, interesting. That is super strange.
Okay,
Tim, did you hear Asia's problem?
She couldn't see what she wrote, and then she came out and came back in. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Asia has the wrong key, I think.
What?
Asia.
Yeah.
I think I know why.
Yeah.
Why isn't it working?
When I reset your cloud database, I don't think we fixed the cloud database token.
Tim?
So
Time it resets.
it resets. Yeah. No. Yeah. If you delete it, it resets. So. Asia, can you set your token to the link I just sent to the chat, or the token I just sent to the chat?
Tim?
Yeah?
We need to change that to everybody.
Wait, no, never mind.
Okay, see, on mine, the tokening works. So for instance, if I message a fake contact I made named that starts with a Z, all right, it comes first. So Adil, when you were messaging me, what was the tag at the top?
Tim Adil.
Yeah, so that's wrong, right? It should have been Adil Tim.
Hold on, wait, Tim. In your new contact, what comes first?
My name comes first because
yeah, that's right.
Alphabetically smaller. So my code seems like it's working.
Yeah.
Adil, double check this. Make sure that you're inverting these in the second one.
No, mine works now.
Yours works.
My name was lowercase. I think lowercase trumps all.
Okay, so does it say Adil Tim at the top?
Yeah.
I can't go to my contacts page or send a message.
Okay, Adil, can you send me something now?
Yeah.
Emily, do you want to break out with Azima and we can try to fix that? I think the breakout room is still open if you can join.
Wait. So does your token say?
Tim, I just sent you a message. Can you see that one?
I can see Gabe messages now.
Okay, what's Azima's issue?
I think she has the buttons. They're not
The
working.
same thing's happening.
The button's not working. Okay, let's take a
Adil,
look.
Adil, you said you have the right code now, right?
Yeah.
Can you send me a message?
Yeah. Wait, so your token is Adil with capital A and then Tim with capital T?
Yes. Adil is spelled A-D-I-L, right? Okay.
Yeah.
It's still happening. Azia says it's still happening.
Yeah,
Adil,
now
did
no
you
matter
send a
what, I
message?
still can't see it.
Yep.
And now I can't see my message.
Well, that's just terrible.
Even if I go back into contacts.
Okay, so
messages.
we're doing a lot of troubleshooting now, so let's take a minute and just try to work through one issue at a time, right? So Tim, what are you working on right now?
I'm trying to actually link them up. So right now, Adil, Tim, like me and Adil have the same code, but he says he can't see what I'm sending and I can't see what he's sending. Adil, are we on the same token? We should, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we are. I'll check. Wait, send me your token.
It's in the chat.
It's in the chat, yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, God. Let's see.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Designer. Where is the token?
Wait,
No matter which person I choose to text to message with, it still says the text from the previous ones.
Oh, then you might not have put the get global current tag in all of the. You might not have replaced all of the chat places.
Tim, can you see my text now?
Let me check. I don't right now.
So can you see my message I sent you?
I cannot. Let's check something.
I just wrote a bunch of random letters that actually crashed my phone.
Adele, did you update the token?
Yep.
Are you able to see what Gabe's messaging?
Wait, you're able to see Gabe's?
Yeah, on yours though.
Wait, I'm gonna refresh my emulator. Oh shoot! Wait, I'm gonna refresh my
I'm gonna go
emulator.
ahead and just reset connection and try that as well.
Yeah.
Like theoretically, it should work.
Okay.
It's still there. Every single tag is switched
Wait,
to
all right,
glow.
right now, did you just send hi?
Yeah,
Did you send it to the general chat or the regular or like a private one?
general.
Yeah,
Okay.
I can see that.
So I'm gonna try to
Does
specify
anybody see
now.
my new message?
Yeah, I could see it, but like I'm going to the contact screen now. So if I try to contact Adil again.
Okay,
so
wait.
Now I can see my message.
I see all of the messages I have sent, but I do not see the messages Adil has sent.
I only see 2 messages that I sent. I sent 3. I only see the 2 hellos that I sent.
sent one that Gabe sent.
Wait, can you,
I see it.
Tim, can you go back to my chat? I want to see if the messages will show
Wait,
up.
Adil, did you say you see something?
I think I do.
Do you see anything sent by me?
Yeah. Wait.
I do not see anything sent by Areg or Adil or anyone else.
I sent 2 hellos to you.
Oh, Adil, wait, I see yours.
Yes.
What? Okay, hold up. Did you send Canada with weird things? Wait, that's it. Me and Adil can talk to each other. That's pretty cool.
Wait, try mine. Try
Okay, Areg, reset your token.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's a new token?
There isn't a new token, but just switch it because apparently Adil did that and now somehow it works.
I thought I switched it.
All right, wait, Adil, did you change anything else?
Nope.
No. Okay. There you go. That's how. That's just
So
how
I'm going to
apps
copy
work.
my current token. I'm going to delete it and I'm going to copy it back.
Yeah. So try to just replace it with the other one. But it look okay. So me and Adil have contact with each other. All right. One other thing that we could try maybe to just make everything more consistent is we could make the tags that we're using all lowercase. I don't know if that's a good idea now though, or else everyone might just.
Okay, I sent a message to you and I still can't see it.
Jaden, you sent one to me. Let me check. I haven't been able to. I haven't checked it yet.
Okay, Tim, I'm gonna send you a message.
Hey, Jaden, I have sent hi to you. I don't see.
I cannot see it.
I don't see any messages that you've sent.
Okay.
Areg, did you send something?
Yes, I sent hi in our chat.
Did you add this thing at the top that says set header.text get global current tag?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the current tag that it says at the top of your screen?
Oh wait, current tag. No, I set it to the start value.
Yeah.
Though.
Okay. Yeah. I added this line for troubleshooting purposes just to see what tag it's trying to send to. If you can add that and try, then we can actually see maybe there's a problem with.
Yeah.
Maybe there's like a difference in the tags we're using.
Get header text to get global current tag.
Refresh it again and tell me what the tag is. Maybe yours is like in the wrong order or something. Maybe it's like
Can you
Tim
see
or.
what
Wait,
I
that's
did?
now if we go to Tim.
Asia, you sent a message to me?
Yeah.
It just says chat.
Okay, so then yeah, something is definitely broken on yours.
Tim.
Yeah?
Mine says Asia True. Asia True.
Asia, true?
Yeah.
Asia true.
What?
Yours says
No.
Asia true. Okay, Aisha, what might have happened is instead of saying if compare text, you might have just said set global current tag to compare text.
Oh, wait.
That possible?
What if I put the set header under the if statement?
Oh,
have
yes, that's
that.
definitely what you're supposed to do. Put it down here. Tell me what you get.
I get false and Tim.
False Tim.
Yeah. I'm false.
What?
Look, I can show it in video.
Can you share your code? I mean, like, can you share your screen
Yes, I will share my screen.
so I can take a look and see? Because I don't actually understand.
My text is Jaden, semicolon, space, hello.
Tim,
Okay, yeah.
the last thing that you sent to one contact, if you move to another contact, that's the name. That's your name. That's your username.
That has never happened to me. What? No, right now mine is working flawlessly. I think some code here is messed up. So for instance, Areg, you need to make sure that your username is above that if statement.
So,
No, do you see the part that says like global username to call tinydb and everything? No, move down. It's in the screen one. You just need to rearrange some of this. Do you see the part that says like set global username to?
yeah, it was somewhere here.
The big orange block. Yeah, move that above that first if statement.
So here?
And yes, yeah, move it there. And also take the part that says if not is empty get global username and put that above that if statement as well.
Wait, this or this?
The if. No, the second the second no, like the third one.
Here?
Yeah.
Then where should I put this again?
Above the first if statement. Yeah, and just leave the cloud TB at the bottom. So put it
here, above
yeah.
here?
Yeah, put it right there. Okay. Now give this a run again and tell me what it gives you for the tag.
Hold on, I have a question. Why is his current tag joining the start value and not is empty get global username?
Yeah, that's definitely also a thing.
Because that's trying to join a string and a boolean.
Yeah. So yeah, get rid of the not is empty. Just add the global username.
Wait, I thought you said to do this, to get the not is empty.
I did not do that, no.
Okay, so let me just refresh. Now it says, alright. So wait, yeah, I can see you now. Wait.
What is the, oh, okay, now I can see you too. There you go. You said hi. I'm gonna say I'm gonna send you a smiley face. Or it's a winking face.
Yeah,
Okay, does it work? Do you see
it just crashes. It just, the app just crashes.
Okay, that might be the problem with the companion. So that's okay. Our eggs works. Who wants to get theirs working next? Okay, Asia, can you share your screen? Okay, so we got Areg and Adil up.
But I have a very different problem.
We're making progress, boys. It's good. Emily, do you understand kind of what the problems are? Is Emily gone? Okay, Emily's gone. Okay, Emily.
Yeah.
Do you want to try to help like Jaden and everyone else? Do you kind of understand what's going on? Do you want to like take a screenshot of my code?
Can I see what? Yes. Can you send a screenshot of your code to everybody? I think that'll just make it easier to debug. Just send it in the chat. Yes. See?
Okay, I sent a picture. Emily, can you? I'm gonna.
I cannot see the picture.
No, you need to download it.
It's okay. So Emily, can you like help people make sure that's good? Okay. All right, Asia.
Yeah.
So let's see what's going on here.
Okay, hold on, Tim. Who am I helping?
Who needs help first?
Me.
I do.
I'm helping Asia right now. Azima needs help. Can you
Move me into a breakout room?
Yeah, I think you're already in a breakout room with her.
join breakout room. Okay.
Okay, Azima, can you join the breakout room as well with Emily? Okay, so Asia, can you stop drawing, please? Thank you. Do you see the if statement that says like if not is empty, get global username?
If not is empty, get global.
Okay, actually, let me just ask for control. Let me just request control. Okay, and we're gonna put that. Okay, there you go. Now, okay, Asia, this looks good. Can you, do you have it on your phone right now?
Just need to refresh.
Okay, can you now go to contacts, select Tim?
I think I'm right on you. So let's see.
Okay, and can you tell me what you see at the very top? What's the name that you see?
I'm trying to, but I can't go all the way down, so I can't. Oh, there it is. Tim. Start messaging. I see contacts.
No, wait, what do you mean? It says contacts at the top?
Yeah.
What? Did you select my name and then click
Oh,
message?
it says contacts.
You're not on the contact screen anymore, are you? Asia, what do you see?
I think it says hi and contacts and hint.
No, like, do you see the very top header, the big bold text? What does it say?
Chit chat, puppy chat.
Okay, so we fixed the button, but she's now facing the same problem that Azia's having.
That Asia's having? Okay, so it's just not messaging people?
She says that she can send a message, but it just doesn't appear in the list view.
Oh, okay, that's weird. Okay, wait, Asia.
What? Oh no, I can do it now. I can do it now. It's not going for me now. And now my number needs to load.
Okay, Asia, what is this? Okay, Asia, go to contacts. Can you press the contacts button?
Yeah.
Okay. And now select Tim and click message. Okay, what does it say at the very top?
Contacts.
What? Hold up. Where does it say? Why does it say contacts?
Because that's my contact button. And my contact
Okay.
button.
You don't have that. All right. Okay. What I'm actually gonna do. Okay. Does it say like enter your name to join the chat on above that?
Yep.
What does it say above that?
Nothing.
It says nothing above that.
Yep.
Why does it say nothing above that?
It's just blank.
Does it not say press submit to send message anywhere?
Nope.
It says that nowhere.
It says hint for text box 1, then submit.
In the text box.
Okay, I'm gonna connect. I'm gonna connect to this. I don't understand what's happening. Emily, can you take someone else and try to help them?
Yeah.
And mine's crashed again. So
Your
let's
app crashed again?
Who else still needs help? Hold on.
Whoops. Okay, Tim, I'm using your code right now. But don't ask.
Okay.
I know. Okay, Aisha, let's Tim, can you move Aisha into my breakout room?
Can I move Aisha into your breakout room? I can. Why do they make it so weird to do it?
I know, it's very complicated. Also, Tim, can you send a screenshot of all your code? Not just the screen window initialized.
I can try.
But no, I think if you right click in the white space, you can do pick like, because there is a thing, yeah, download blocks as image.
Yeah, I did it.
Yeah. Then yeah, blocks up PNG.
Share the file in the meeting.
Okay. Emily, Aisha's invited, so I think she's actually already joined the other room.
Cool. Okay. I'll be right there. Where did you share your file?
There's 6 minutes left.
Asia, did you disconnect me? Can you share your screen again? I'll try to fix it.
Okay.
Okay. Give me control again.
True.
Okay, I had to disconnect you. I'm sorry.
I wish I had 2 knives now.
Okay, Asia, I'm trying. Are you moving stuff?
Oh, wait. Oh, you have control again. That makes more sense. Oh.
Only 5 minutes left for the lesson now.
Yeah.
I don't think we can do anything.
I can help you.
This is how it works. This will happen a lot. But okay, title is what I'm going to change. Yeah, but this is part of the process, right? Troubleshooting is a very large part, and it seems like it's actually working on a lot of people's devices now. Adil, Arag, you guys got it. I think.
Yep.
Zima is the way. Asia should have it in a second. What was I going to change here? Screen one dot title. Okay, Asia, I can't see over the volume logo. What do you?
Bye.
Okay, there you go. Let's emulate, please. Okay, don't scan this. I'm gonna scan this. Okay. And let me see if it works now. Okay, I'm gonna go to contacts, select Tim, start messaging.
What are we doing now?
Did you pass the start value correctly?
Oh, I still don't have that thing they talk about in Designer. You know, that Delacia thing.
The what thing?
The thing that says names. I have contacts.
Oh, okay, maybe that's the problem. Hold up. See,
So what's that thing that says name? Yeah,
Are you missing the tiny database thing? No, you're not, right? You got that.
Like, what's that thing where it says Delacia or Delazima, whatever that is?
It's supposed to sit on the top. Yours doesn't seem to be doing it though.
It's because I don't have something that says that.
I think it's because your username isn't working right.
I still have something that says Adelasia or Adelazima. Is like a label or something?
It's going to be at the top of your app. You have it now, but there's a problem somewhere else that I need to figure out how to fix.
Everything seems legit.
If not global joined, store value, username, message box, username.
Oh,
Okay,
I want to ask a question. What's the Unity thing?
the Unity thing.
Yeah.
Unity?
He said it in his. It said it in his.
Oh. What are you talking about?
Over there. That way.
Wait, why is this sitting by itself?
I don't know. You know the Unity thing you said over here? Yeah, what was that for? What's the header? Wait, I don't have the header thing on it.
That's fine. That's fine. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, but that makes the clock always go up.
That's
It has to go
good.
down.
That is fine.
Huh?
That's fine.
No, but then when it's a long scroll, it always goes back up and I don't have much time to see.
It goes down. It doesn't go up.
No, it goes up. Every single time. Like.
No, it's 1:30.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So we are out of time for today, but progress was very good today. We added an entire context page. The logic, everything is pretty good. Next class, we're just gonna spend the first like half hour or so debugging the code, making sure everyone's up to speed. If we can't fix Asia, I don't know. We can probably. We'll find some other ways around it, but
1 p.m.
yeah. But apart from that, good job, guys, today. Very good progress. Very good. This was a really advanced concept, so it's impressive that all of you guys were able to kind of understand it very easily.
What I'm going to suggest is that Tim's going to send out the screenshot of his blocks, and then everybody just try to compare and see if everything kind of lines up, okay?
Thing is, I can't see screenshots later, and I can't see any videos or recordings.
Hold on for now, because they just wrapping up the last class, and they will be on. In
I can't see any videos or recordings though.
All right. Yeah. Anyway.
Or pictures.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, we do need to go start our second class, guys. So
we'll email something out.
Yeah, we'll email out a picture. All right. And this recording will also be uploaded, so you guys can take a look at from there. But good job, guys, today. We will see you next week. All right. See you guys.
Bye, guys.
Bye.